Have you ever wondered why a balloon gets smaller in the cold, or why a bicycle pump gets hot when you use it? The answer is simple: gas laws. Let's learn them in just 2 minutes. A gas is made of tiny particles that move around all the time. They spread out to fill any container they're in. Gas laws explain what happens when we change a gas's pressure, volume, or temperature. Boyle's law says, when you squeeze a gas into a smaller space, its pressure goes up. Imagine pushing down a syringe. The gas has less room, so the particles bump into the walls more often. More bumps mean more pressure. Charles's law says, when a gas gets hotter, it takes up more space. Heat makes the particles move faster. They spread out, so the balloon gets bigger. Cool the gas down, and the particles slow down, making the balloon shrink. Gay-Lussac's law says, if the gas can't expand, heating it increases its pressure. The particles move faster and hit the container harder, causing the pressure to rise. Remember these 3 easy rules. Boyle: smaller space means higher pressure. Charles: more heat means more space. Gay-Lussac: more heat in a closed container means higher pressure. That's gas laws. Simple, useful, and all around us.